11:39 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'm XRP Future Millionaire and I reside in the great state of Michigan. We got a great update to come. Cover some XDC, some VeChain, ZIL. Those are the ones I wanted to focus on. XDC, VeChain, and ZIL when we get past this. But I wanted to show a couple of these from UB2B. So, Shiba Inu going to zero, my ass. UB2B. 98% chance of serving 100% chance of looking like an asshole. UB2B. Join UB2B on Twitter. He's my meme genius. Go ahead. Try Smurf my gun. UB2B. And then we have trying to grow your portfolio. Join Tom's Army. UB2B. I fucking love looking at his memes. Make sure you join him on YouTube or on Twitter. Links in my video description. He's amazing. Or just type in UB2B and find him on Twitter. Welcome back, everybody. Good late morning to everybody. 19 minutes before the lunch hour here on the East Coast. The Dow Jones is down 327 points. The U.S. dollar currency index is starting to pump here a little bit. Back up to 102.665. The logical thing right now is, if you look at the 4-hour time frame, we're trying to possibly start a divergence here, but it's all out of whack right now. But this very well could come back up and back test up at the 102.94. That would be a realistic spot for it to back test. If we get back on top of that, look at for 104 to be retested. So some very interesting things starting off in the day. You got the 10-year government yield. The U.S. government bonds is up to 2.935, up 3.05% today. Gold and silver steady. Silver up 1.19%, and you have gold up 0.32%, stuck at this 1840 area. So that's what we're looking at over there. But around the broader market, you've got a lot of the speculative stocks that have come down. Since earlier, you've got like XRP and some of our other ones that have come down, which is not unexpected. This is where we talked about the possible short. It's just you had to line it up nicely. And this looks like a topping reversal. But we needed to, if we're going to continue this bullish divergence, we had to come back down and test the 20. That's why I knew we had to come back down to this area. Right now, if you're in a gambling mode, this is where you would take the gamble if you're going long, and you would just have your stop loss down here, and you would have to be very aggressive and just have it played down to 40526 and have that 100-day, the 50-day as a support. This is an overzealous sell-off, it looks like, and it looks like we still have one more layer. But that's obviously basing that on the 20 crossing the 50, having the retouch down like we were waiting for yesterday. It finally happened just now. So this is what we were talking about on our Twitch, especially yesterday. So pay attention to this, because as long as you hold the 200-day here, this will just be a fake out to the downside, and then it's going to go up one more level. Otherwise, it's going to continue down, and we're going to hit this uptrending support over here at 39,161. So no, I wasn't going to do an XRP, but XDC. But on top XDC, we've got this topping reversal. We completed this bearish divergence, this bearish cross. But if you look in the 4-hour time frame, you can see that this pattern isn't done yet if you just fill it out. So I think it's actually down a little bit farther, because you can go like this as well. So, but if you go from the least aggressive area, it's like this. But this is what we've been watching, and if XDC can hold this, it can bounce out of this area and can use this as like a bull flag. But that's an M topping reversal, it looks like. Even though we started a 20 crossing the 50, it showed a fake out so far because it came back through. And these are bearish engulfing candles, so we have to make sure that this is going to hold. Otherwise, these can be very detrimental bear flags, and we've talked about this for a long time. That's why the short was a good opportunity if you found the right spot. I did not get into a short. I decided to go to bed last night because I missed my opportunity. I was doing a lot of my gardening yesterday, so Wasn't paying as much attention to the chart, so I had to do what I had to do. V-chain. We broke out of this bear flag, and now we're back testing the 20-day and the 4-hour time frame, completely normal. We started a bullish divergence, and this is actually, if you were going to take a gamble, these are the areas where you would buy. 3213 is the ideal spot. It's at 3219. You could have a stop loss down here at 300, or like I suggest, down at the 50-day at 3150 would be your ultimate stop loss, because you wouldn't anticipate a breakdown farther than that. Right now we're testing the 20-day, and this would propel us up here with V-chain up to about 3520. So there is opportunity in the water here. You just have to have some balls, and also not be an idiot, because you have to have proper stop losses in case this all goes to hell. And then ZIL as well, back testing the breakout of the ascending triangle, which is a bear flag. And it's back testing the 20-day right at the downtrending resistance as support for the first time, and trying to hold it in this. It's been the last few hours, but we're trying to hold it. If this is confirmed, this is a very nice spot to get in at 5256 area. This is exactly where you would want to get in. This is like almost a 100% sweet spot on the nuts right now. You want to get as close to that 5262 area, but then you can have your stop loss down here at 5148 if you so desire. So just be smart if you're doing these trades. Understand what you're paying attention to. And tonight at 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, we go over the trades on Twitch. Yesterday, we, for the first time, hit 70 viewers concurrently. And we averaged about 54 people, which was our highest average on a stream. So I look forward to seeing each and every one of you there. Look in the video description below and join my Twitch.